Amazon had announced today that they will not be receiving any more shipments coming to their fulfillment centers. So with that being said, as me being an Amazon seller, and they're saying that this is going to be until April 5th, I'm just going based off of what Amazon is saying. Anything that I have now is because I worked for it. I literally came from nothing.
What's it take to be great? I swear I give my all. I study Kanye and put the picture.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. If you don't know who I am, it's your boy Amar Shai, and today I'm talking about a very, very unfortunate topic. My last video I was talking about things to do within the recession, or how to prepare yourself for the recession, or don't panic, which is kind of ironic because now I'm kind of panicking. I wouldn't say that I'm panicking about the recession, because everything that I said in that video still is 100% true. It'll always be true when any type of recession. But the thing that's going on right now with this coronavirus, something that this country or the world has never ever seen before. So with that being said, nobody really knows how to react to it, and it's causing a lot of people to lose their minds or panic. I mean, it's natural for people to panic when they're in a situation like this. But in my case, the reason why I'm a little panicked is because, for one, everything that's going on with the whole world, and they're talking about shutting down the whole country, or having people locked in their house for 14 days. To me, I just kind of think it's kind of crazy. And going to the stores and seeing people running from aisle to aisle with masks on and scrambling, trying to grab the last little scraps that are left in the aisles. It kind of seems like something out of a movie. But when it comes to my Amazon business, Amazon had announced today that they will not be receiving any more shipments, FBA shipments, coming to their fulfillment centers. So with that being said, as me being an Amazon seller, and they're saying that this is going to be until April 5th, it's kind of unfortunate, and it's kind of weird for me to even fathom like what's really going on right now. Because when I look at it, this is a lot of people's main source of income. This is the way that people feed their families. Even with the people that do Shopify drop shipping, the effects of the coronavirus are affecting them, and the effects of the economy's panicking is affecting their business. And this is people's lives, this is people's income that it's affecting. So I'm not really too worried about the income standpoint of it, but when I look at it, I kind of think that was the source of my income. You know what I'm saying? So when I look at it, I kind of think, what if April 5th comes and they don't open up shipments coming to the fulfillment centers? You know what I mean? What if they carry this on all the way into July? That's a whole source of income that I really can't depend on. Or another thing that I was thinking about is, what if they close down the banks and you can't access your money? You know what I'm saying? So I feel like everybody should get a little bit of cash and put it on their person, in their pocket, in their house, just in case for an emergency. But today I want to talk about what Jeff Bezos had said, how he's not allowing any fulfillment shipments coming into the fulfillment centers. So what that means, a lot of people are saying this, a lot of people are saying that. Some people are saying that they're not shipping FBA products out anymore. They're not allowing any shipments to be delivered. They're shutting down the delivery. They're doing all this different types of other stuff. May be true. I don't think that is true. I had read the article that Amazon had put out on the Seller Central account. You can find it there as well if you have a Seller Central account. It's right there at the top. It'll tell you everything that's going on with it. So basically, my understanding of it is that they're not allowing any packages to be sent into Amazon's fulfillment center. And this kind of worries me because I'm trying to run a business. I have employees that I'm paying as of right now. So when I think of that, I'm thinking, do I stop paying the employees? Do I cut back on their hours? What do I do in this situation? You know what I mean? Because I could continue to pay them and continue to have them, do their daily jobs or whatever. But at the same time, if I'm not making any money, then I can't continue to keep paying these people if I'm not sending any products out. So what I've been thinking about doing is reducing hours, just so I'm not cutting off their pay 100%. I'm just reducing their hours so they could still eat and they could still provide for their families. So that was one of my suggestions. That's a decision that I had to make, or that's a decision that I am considering because of what's going on right now. Because with shipments not being able to be shipped in within the next 18 days, and me contacting suppliers on a day-to-day basis, and every supplier that I'm contacting is closed, that's me not being able to get new products to the warehouse. That's reorders, restocking my inventory. That's everything. Because if I can't contact the suppliers and have them send the inventory in, then there's really nothing that I could do. So at this point, by me paying somebody to create shipments or to do product research, if I have a whole list of products that I could potentially sell, but I can't order and I can't send into Amazon, there's really nothing that I could do. So one option is to take all my FBA products and convert them into FBM and sell them FBM, because all the products that are selling FBA, if no one could create shipments, they're probably going to sell out very quickly. And once they sell out, then it'll drop down to FBM. That's another thing that I was considering, but for me to do that, I would have to have it sent directly to me, and that's a lot of inventory. The way I've been doing it since I've started has always been through fulfillment centers or through prep centers. So if I can't get a hold of no prep services or anything like that, then that eliminates that option. Or I could just have it sent to me and it'll be stored in my garage or in my basement, which I honestly don't really have that much room. So these are all things that I've been kind of thinking about, but I wanted to make this quick little video to kind of summarize or kind of sum that up, what everybody was saying, that that Amazon's not doing any shipments, or they're not allowing any shipments to go out. To my understanding, from what I read, that's not true. From what I read and from the videos I watched and from the Facebook pages the Facebook groups that I'm in, I kind of got a basic understanding that it's just the shipments going to the Amazon fulfillment centers. And Amazon is currently hiring 100,000 employees just to help accommodate the large orders that are coming in, because people can't go to brick and mortar stores like Walmart and Target and Myers no more. I mean, they can, but the shelves are raided. A lot of people don't want to go out because of the virus. A lot of people just want to stay in the house where they're more comfortable, and they rather order their stuff offline and have it delivered directly to their address. So with that being said, Amazon has been taking in massive amounts of orders. So they're hiring 100,000 new employees just to accommodate this. So I don't believe that they're not going to be shipping out any products if they're hiring more employees to accommodate the orders. So I believe that was just a rumor. It may be true, because I have seen posts that said the same thing, but once I did my research, I'm going directly off of what Seller Central through Amazon said. I'm going based off their article. I didn't see no article from Amazon saying that they weren't going to be shipping out no products. So I'm just going based off of what Amazon is saying. I just wanted to make this video kind of summarizing what I've seen, and pretty much put out there that Amazon's own website did not say anything about them not sending any products out, but they did put out an article saying that they will not be receiving any products from FBM or FBA sellers being shipped into the warehouse. So that's pretty much about it. Everybody stay safe. Everybody stay blessed. Remember that this coronavirus is not nothing that is just something to take lightly. This is something that the whole country has never seen before. I've never ever seen people or ever heard the government say that they might lock everything down, lock down states to where people are, inside of their house 24 hours a day. Never, ever, ever heard anything like that. I've never heard of curfews. I've never heard of them shutting down restaurants, shutting down stores. So to me, this is kind of something very out of the ordinary. So it's nothing to be taken lightly. This is something that's very serious. Everybody prepare yourself, take care of yourself, take care of your families. Make sure that if you do have it, that you're not spreading it. Just make sure that you're looking out for your own best interest and everybody else around you's best interest. And try and get this whole thing in the bag. Let's get to the bag. Let's get to the money. It's your boy Marshai, and I'm out.